The project 3DP Teacher, Implementation of 3D Printing in Future Education, aims at improving the digital competences of teachers in relation to implementing of 3D printing in education. Among these, 3D modeling skills are very important as they make possible the creation of objects tailored to the teacher's needs. The aim of this video is to present, step by step, the development of a 3D model intended to be 3D printed, using a free computer-aided design software. FreeCAD is a free and open-source, general-purpose, parametric, 3D computer-aided design modeler. Parametric modeling allows for easily modification of designs by going back into their model history and changing the parameters. With FreeCAD, geometry-constrained 2D shapes can be sketched and used as a base for building other objects. It is suitable for intermediate users and it's a powerful design tool that can be successfully used for precision design. FreeCAD writes to many file formats, including STL, which is commonly used in 3D printing. It is a multi-platform, Windows, Mac and Linux, customizable and extensible software. FreeCAD can be freely downloaded from www.freecadweb.org. To install FreeCAD on your computer, double-click on the downloaded installing file and follow the instructions. The object to be modeled is a keychain personalized with the acronym of the project, 3DP Teacher, as shown in the image. The main dimensions are also indicated. When launching the FreeCAD program, the Start Center is opening. It is a great source of support and information on the software. You may want to take a look. First step is to create a new document. This includes the workspace, the part tree, a series of tools and the workbench selector. A workbench is a collection of tools suited for a specific task, such as part design or drawing 2D objects. Before start working, we can set a wide range of preferences, including the measurement units. In order to start making a part, we need to switch to a suitable workbench. Part design workbench will be just fine for our application. The work in part design begins with a body. Then we will build the solid inside the body by starting with a sketch. We will use the polyline tool to make a rough shape of the object. This does not need to be perfect, as the final shape is done with constraints. Once we have the basic shape, we will start applying various constraints, coincident constraint, to the start and end points of the polyline, in order to close the shape's contour. Horizontal and vertical constraints, to the appropriate lines, if they are not already automatically constrained. Equality and symmetry constraints, where applicable. Vertical or horizontal distance constraints, to precisely dimension the sketch. To create the hole in the object, we will add a circle into the sketch, and properly constrain it afterwards. Next we will create the 3D model, by using pad command and setting the length to 3 mm. To create the text, we need to switch to the draft workbench. Next, we will select the top surface of the object as working plane, with select plane command. After that, we will press on shape string button, insert the desired words and set the character's height. We need to make sure that font file points to a valid font. The text can be roughly placed with the mouse. Its position can be then more precisely tuned from the placement table, using apply incremental change. text needs now to be extruded, and, to do this, we will switch to Part Workbench. In the tree view, we need to select Shape String and then press Extrude. In the Extrude task panel we will select along normal for direction, set a 1 mm length and tick the Create Solid option. Before exporting the 3D model as STL file, we will select all objects in the tree view and merge them into a unique solid object by applying a fusion using Part Union command. Next, we just need to select in the tree view the resulted solid to be exported, choose Export from File menu and set file type to STL Mesh.